In this video, I'm going to show you how you can perform scientific research using Perplexity AI. So Perplexity is one of the best AI models that are out there, best known for research. For instance, I have here a sample question. Just go ahead and click on this box, paste it here. Alternatively, you can go ahead and just create a space that is tailored towards your research. So if you want to intensively research on a paper or perform any scientific research, one of the best ways is to create a space, give your space a title. You can even add a logo. For instance, I'll add this, and then go ahead and start asking your research questions here. To do this, once you have pasted your research, go ahead and click on this option, deep research, on any topic, and this will switch to this option where each and every question you'll be asking under this thread, the response will be Perplexity will always do a deep research to get you the best response. To generate now, go ahead and click on generate here, or you can as well hit the enter key on your keyboard to start generating your responses. Now Perplexity will go ahead and do a research and give you a detailed and comprehensive research response on this topic, and as well as give you sources for citation. And as you can see, here are some of the sources being cited in our research here. And as you can see, this is one of the best tools or one of the best options to do academic research on any field. As you can see here, I had just asked, how does daily screen time affect sleep quality in teens? And Perplexity went ahead and began to generate a detailed research on this topic. And as you can see, it is quite detailed, and in fact, it is still generating. And the good thing about it is very much detailed, and you can see how it breaks down this into topical and sections. It begins the opening with key findings. It went ahead and talked about the mechanisms of sleep disruptions, dose-response relationship with sleep, timing matters, that is evening and bedtime use, impact on specific sleep parameters, and then under this, it broke down into details. It also gave us types of content and device differences, and the list is quite long, and here are the clinical and practical implications that it entered our search with. From this, it went ahead and listed all the sources, and you can see here are 25 sources. If you click on them, you should see each and every source that it cited from. So if you're looking to do academic research on any topic, this is the best tool you can use to do your research on. Once you're done here, you can now go ahead and copy this response here and then paste it and use it wherever you want. So that's how you can perform research using Perplexity AI. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.